If your LinkedIn profile looks dead, recruiters will assume your career is dead too. Most junior developers think LinkedIn is just social media. Wrong. LinkedIn is your online resume, portfolio, networking machine, and recruiter search engine, all combined. And the painful part? Many talented developers never get opportunities because their profile sends the wrong signals. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your LinkedIn profile from invisible into a recruiter magnet, even if you have no experience, no connections, and no degree. Welcome to Careers Huel, where we help you grow your career smarter, faster, and with real-world strategies. Here's the truth. Recruiters spend only a few seconds checking your profile. If your LinkedIn has no banner, poor headline, no projects, no activity, or looks unfinished, they move on immediately. And many junior developers make the same mistake. They build coding skills, but ignore visibility. You can be talented and still invisible. Remember this, opportunities do not only go to the best developers, they go to the most visible developers. Section 2, fix your profile photo and banner. First, your profile photo. No blurry selfies, no gaming avatars, no sunglasses photos, no cropped group pictures. Use clear lighting, simple background, confident smile, clean appearance. You do not need a suit. You just need to look professional and approachable. Part B, banner. Most people ignore the LinkedIn banner. Big mistake. Your banner instantly communicates your career focus, your skills, and your professionalism. A simple banner can include front-end developer, React, JavaScript, Node.js, portfolio URL, GitHub username. This alone makes your profile look more serious. Section 3, the headline that attracts recruiters. Now let's fix the most important section, your headline. Most junior developers write things like student, looking for opportunities, unemployed. These headlines are weak. Recruiters search LinkedIn using keywords, so your headline should contain your role, your skills, and your focus area. Bad headline, computer science student. Better headline, front-end developer, React and JavaScript, building responsive web apps. Another example, junior back-end developer, Node.js. AP is MongoDB. This helps recruiters find you in search results. Section 4, your About section. Next, the About section. Do not write your life story. Keep it short, clear, and focused. Use this simple structure. 1. Who you are. Example, I'm a self-taught front-end developer passionate about building modern web applications. 2. Your skills. Example, I work with React, JavaScript, Tailwind CSS, and Firebase. 3. What you're building. Example, currently building personal projects and improving back-end development skills. 4. Your goal. Example, open to junior developer and internship opportunities. Simple, professional, searchable. Section 5, projects are more important than certificates. This is where many junior developers fail. They collect certificates. But recruiters care more about proof of skill. Projects matter more than certificates. Add projects that solve real problems. Examples, Task Manager app, Weather app, e-commerce UI, expense tracker, REST API project. For every project include screenshots, GitHub link, live demo, short explanation. Even 2 to 3 solid projects can outperform a degree-only profile. Section 6, how to get recruiters to notice you. Part A, post content. Most developers stay invisible because they never post. You don't need to become an influencer. Just share your learning journey. Post things like, built my first React app today, what I learned from a coding mistake, how I solved this JavaScript bug, my back-end learning roadmap. This signals growth and consistency. Part B, connect strategically. Do not randomly connect with everyone. Connect with recruiters, developers, hiring managers, tech founders. And when sending connection requests, avoid, please give me a job. Instead say, hi, I admire your work in tech recruitment and would love to connect. Professional networking works better than begging. Section 7, LinkedIn SEO for developers. Here's something many people don't know. LinkedIn works like Google. Recruiters search keywords like React developer, Node.js developer, front-end engineer, JavaScript developer. So include keywords naturally in headline, about section, skills, project descriptions. This improves your visibility. Section 8, biggest LinkedIn mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. Incomplete profiles, no projects, no profile picture, spelling mistakes. Copying fake motivational posts, being inactive for months, using unprofessional usernames, and especially this one, Do not make your profile look desperate. Confidence attracts opportunities more than desperation. Final motivational close. Your LinkedIn profile is not just a social account, it is your digital career identity. And in today's market, visibility creates opportunity. You do not need thousands of followers, years of experience, or a perfect background. You need a strong profile, visible proof of skill, and consistency. Start improving your LinkedIn today, because recruiters cannot hire developers they cannot find. If this video helped you, subscribe to CareerShul for more. Comment below, LinkedIn, and I'll make a part 2. See you in the next video.